If you rely on protein shakes for muscle building, managing your weight, or workout recovery, you might be wondering, when is the best time to take it? In this video, we will discuss what factors affect protein absorption, share tips on how to get the most protein bang for your buck, and identify the best time to take one based on your unique goals. Factors affecting protein absorption. The type of protein you choose determines how quickly it's absorbed. Whey protein, especially whey protein hydrolysate, is fastest. Soy and pea proteins are quick too, while casein is slower but provides a steady release over hours. The liquid you mix with your protein powder also matters. Water or juice speeds up digestion, while milk, dairy, or plant-based slows it down due to fat content. Adding ingredients like fruits, veggies, or nuts can enhance taste and nutrition, but may slow protein absorption. Both fat and fiber-rich foods digest slowly and will slow down the speed in which protein is absorbed. This might be ideal if you're using your shake as a meal replacement. But for post-workout shake, where faster protein absorption is preferred, sticking to just water is likely your best option. Individual factors such as age or medical conditions like Crohn's disease affect absorption rates also. If you are finding this video helpful, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and fitness tips. Tips to maximize protein absorption. To maximize protein absorption, follow these guidelines when preparing your protein shake. Number 1, opt for a fast digesting protein like whey protein hydrolysate or whey protein isolate if you can tolerate dairy. For dairy-free options, consider soy or pea protein, both of which absorb quickly. Number 2, use water as the base for your shake since it facilitates the fastest delivery of protein to your body. Number 3, keep the shake simple by avoiding additional ingredients. While adding fruits, veggies, and nut butters may enhance nutrition, the added fiber and fat can slow down protein absorption. And number 4, ensure adequate hydration throughout the day to optimize protein delivery and support overall bodily functions. What are the optimal times to drink your protein shake? Number 1, post-workout for muscle gain and recovery. Consume a shake within 30 to 60 minutes after exercising. Number 2, pre-workout on an empty stomach. Have a shake before your workout to prevent muscle breakdown. Number 3, before bed for intense training. Athletes undergoing intense training phases might benefit from a shake before bed to aid overnight muscle recovery. Number 4, for general health. Drink a shake when you find it challenging to meet your protein needs through regular meals. Number 5, for weight gain. Use shakes between meals or as a bedtime snack to help meet your calorie and protein requirements. And number 6, for weight loss. Shakes can be useful to fill protein gaps in your diet and help preserve lean muscle mass. Protein powders are considered a dietary supplement, which means they are not reviewed by the Food and Drug Administration before they're sold. Therefore, you should purchase one with caution, and you can do so by looking for brands that have a third-party certification, which ensures their quality and safety. Supplements that have third-party testing have been verified to contain the ingredients on the label and are free of contaminants. To conclude, to get the most from your protein shake, opt for fast digesting proteins and choose the timing that aligns with your fitness goals. Whether it's for muscle growth, recovery, or general health, a protein shake can be a convenient addition to your diet. Thank you so much for watching Healthy Food Crush Food Facts. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more healthy food facts.